is going on, YouTube? It's Josiah. Today we got the whole squad back here. We got Aaliyah, we got Bubba, and we got Edgar all in their respected rides. But we also got the new homie Rich on the S1000RR. First time riding with him. We just met him on the way to the house. Asked him if he wanted to ride and he said yes. Yes, sir. Hot, hella hot. We'll hop on that other highway. What up? I don't know where we're going. I don't know. Alright.
I just like to ride.
Alright.
You said you can't go over 60.
Yeah, I know. I'll just go for a second and slow down.
Okay.
Yeah. Think they want some? Alright, YouTube, we're gonna go to the mall real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, YouTube, leaving the mall right now. I'm gonna grab some gas. I think I'll go to Special K right here. Or Circle K, I mean. This one's out of service, of course. All of them are out of service. Every single one. Looks like I'm going to 7-Eleven. I totally didn't think about my suit being black and white. It matches so perfect. Two-piece would be nice though. It'd also be cool to just have multiple different things so I can always just choose. Like eventually I'll get a two-piece. Maybe if I grow especially I'd have a bigger one. I'll just keep getting gear because I don't plan on stopping riding anytime. Sorry YouTube, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to see more of the channel, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell. If you want to let me know something, let me know down in the comments. Remember, Jesus loves you, and I'm going to see you guys next time. Peace.